Hello children. Now we are learning about the production of food from animals. In the previous class we have learned about how the milk production takes place. The milk which are taken by the farmers or cattle rearers, they will collect that milk and they will give in the milk collecting centers. In the milk collecting centers they will send the milk to the chilling centers for the further processing, that is the pasteurization, and they will cool that milk for a particular temperature and packed and distributed throughout the state or related to the places. The milk production is also vary from the different months. So they may not give, if you see in the summer, they may not give the high yield, whereas in the rainy season or winter, the yield of milk is more when compared to summer. Why? Because the food, the intake of the food is also vary. In the cattle, means they may not get the green grass and many changes takes place. Next one is the selection process. While buying the cattle, the farmer should take the main points that are how much percent of milk the cattle is giving. They have to check these points. That is the first one, is the percentage of the milk they are giving, how many yields they are giving for, and also how the food intake is there, is the cattle is healthy or not, and we have to take some advices from the veterinary doctor before purchasing the cattle. If you observe in the rural people, by seeing the cattle, they will identify is it a good or bad, means the cow or buffalo, whatever it may be, it is in healthy condition or not, if it is attacked with any diseases. By observing only they will identify and they will buy. But nowadays the people are not having that knowledge, so that they have to take the advice of the people who know about the cattle. Next one is the practices in livestock keeping. That is here livestock. Here livestock means animals used for the milk and agriculture purposes, that are cow, buffaloes. So the animals which are used for milk and agriculture, cattle, are called livestock. This is the livestock. Cattle are also a part of our life. We will celebrate our festivals like Sankranti with the cattle also. They will get their identity on their festivals, and they are also used for the fightings like bullfighting. So they are also apart from our family. Even the leather, how the leather is prepared by the skin of the animals. Their skin is used as leather for the preparation of leather in the leather industries. And the bones, if you see in the villages, the people collect the bones of the animals. You may get the doubt why they are collecting those bones. What they will do with their bones? Means these bones are used for the fertilizers. They use in the manufacturing of fertilizers in the fertilizer industries. Means these contain some nutrients which are helpful for the plant for their growth. Means they will sow. Means here the fertilizers are used for the production of crops only. So already we have discussed in the earlier class. The animals also helping for the soil to as manure to increase the soil fertility. So here the fertilizer is also increases the soil fertility. So these bones are used for the preparation of fertilizers in the fertilizer industries. Not only the animal dung, it is also used for the preparation of biogas. Nowadays in many places it is in the practice. The biogas production means they are used for the preparation of their food. They will collect the dung and keep it in a big and through the pipelines they are connecting that. Nothing but they release some chemicals. Those chemicals are used as gas, as fuel for the preparation, means which generates heat for the preparation of food. Means there is these also used as biogas. Means animal waste is also used for the used as biogas. Next, meat processing. Here meat processing means we are getting goat, sheep as mutton, cow, bull, their meat as beef. So in the market there is a great demand towards this meat processing. These meat processing centers are there in many places around the country. So not only their milk or skin, bones, their meat also helpful for us to produce, to keep ourselves healthy. In this way the cattle are used. We are used for the production of milk, for agriculture, and also in many ways by us. And the next topic is about poultry. First of all, what is poultry? Rearing of hens is called poultry. Why we are rearing these hens? What is the use? Means to get, nowadays the farmers are also rearing hens for eggs and also for the meat. Same as cattle, the hens are also having local varieties and also hybrid varieties. The hybrid varieties will give the more quantity of eggs when compared to local variety. But the hybrid varieties may not have the, means the ability will be decreased after some days, the ability of laying eggs. Again, in these hens also, there are two types. One are boilers and other one is the layers. Broilers are reared to get meat. For the purpose of meat, they will rear boilers. Whereas for the production of eggs, they rear layers. Here the layers are reared for to get the eggs, more quantity eggs. India stands 4th position for the eggs, whereas 5th position in the meat. Means the 5th standard. Overall India stands at 5th level to get meat from the hen. So the boilers give meat. They also used boilers to get both meat and eggs. SL variety is a type of hen which are used for the fighting purpose. If you see for the festivals, Sankranti, these hens are reared, means they will prepare some variety of hens to fight against the another. So they also participate, they also involved in the festivals. If you see the layers, they will give 300 to 350 eggs in their lifespan. And after some days, their ability will be decreased. There are some varieties, hybrid varieties in the boilers and also in the layers. But the local rearers, they will rear both the boilers and layers for the purpose of meat and eggs. They will use incubators to hatch the eggs. You know how the hatching takes place. Normally, the egg will sit, means the egg will make the eggs warm by keeping their wings, surrounding their wings. But the layers, what they will do? They will incubate by keeping the lights, increases the temperature, keeping the eggs warm. They will hatch the eggs for the purpose of meat. There are some varieties of boilers and also layers. If you see, the production of eggs will be decreased from the month of January to April. Means not the level, from the January to April, the cost of the eggs will be high. Why? Means at that period, it is called incubation period. The eggs will hatch. The eggs will hatch at that time. It is the correct suitable time for the eggs to hatch. So, at that period, the cost of the eggs will be more when compared to other months. Egg is a nutrition food. It consists of all the vitamins and nutrients. So, NCC, that is National Egg Cooperative Committee, they say that have an egg daily to keep yourself healthy. Another variety called emu. This is the second largest bird in the world. The first largest bird is the ostrich, whereas the emu is the second largest bird. It is nowadays here, Medak, Nalgonda, some districts of our state also rearing the emus for the purpose of eggs, meat. In the emus also again there are many varieties, same as hens. Many people visit to see these emus. So children, by this we have finished about the topic poultry. In the next class we will go about the apiculture. Thank you. See you in the next class.